Hello, Inshil Saiful. Today, and my team and I are here to present case study 2 about human-computer interaction, and our topic is Ring for Help. So, this is my team. I am Sharani. This is Kogilanjali Devi, and this is Murugan. So before we start, I would like to give a brief explanation about the company and proposal we are doing. So our Ring for Help motive is quite simple. It's to actually help people, and it could actually create a big impact to people who actually had a great change, like they moved to a different city who doesn't know anything about it there, who have a tight schedule, have a last minute plan, or is simply just lazy. So just remember, we're just a phone call away. Just stay put, dial, and we'll be there. So these are the services we provide. We provide HVAC technician services, personal delivery services, plumbing, individual psychotherapy, medical consultation, event management, beauty consultation, housekeeping, and pet care. So this is the principle of universal design we apply. First and foremostly, it's equitable use. We also provide simple and intuitive to use. We provide perceptible information, tolerant for error, and low physical effort. So for equitable to use, our users are allowed to switch language based on their preferences, whether they would want English or Bahasa Melayu. For simple and intuitive, we help users to provide their feedback and to support users' expectations. For the perceptible information, the user will actually be informed with a vibration once the form has been submitted. For tolerance for error, a vibration will be proceeded if the user actually didn't complete the form. And for low physical effort, the user can simply click on this icon here or the home screen button here to actually go back to the home page. For multi-modal interactions, we have sight and sound. Sight, there is graphic here and also a brief explanation about the service we provide to help user understand our service more. And for sound, if we click the sound button here, the text as in the service will actually be read out loud for people with poor eyesight, blind people or elderly people. For interactive design for alternative mode, there is vibration and sound. If the user didn't fill up the form completely, there will be a little vibration or the device or the screen will be vibrating. And for accessibility features available, we have redirection, as in when we click on the social media page here, it's actually redirected to our social media pages. And we have consistent navigation, as in by clicking the icon or by clicking the home, they can actually return to any page. And we also have accessible text, which by clicking the icon, the user can actually return to the home page itself. And now usage of services will be presented by Murugan.
Okay, the third one is usage of services. Okay, the first one is HVAC technician. H stand for heating, V stand for ventilation, and AC stand for air conditioning. We are here if you need to look at your ventilation and air conditioning or heating system or refrigeration. We are here to install, maintain and repair for a better environment at home. Second one is personal delivery services. Our runner are cautioned and attentive that they will handle your parcel with extra safety. Third one is plumbing. We specialize in water pressure pump, plumbing, roof leaking, water storage tank and pipe and fixture installation. Fourth one, individual psychotherapy. Our psychologists are keen on listening to your inter and also intra-personal challenges. Their purpose is to help with your elevation mentally and emotionally. And the fifth one is medical consultant. Having mild medical problems at home, our friendly and professional medical consultant are here to listen to your problems and suggest suitable way to cure at home. Sixth one is event management. Our brilliant team are creative in putting together a fun and groovy party or a funky team party or even a warm get together or a professional event. The seventh one is beauty consultant. We are here if you need a professional to look at your skin. We have part-timer beautician who are ever ready to give you advice on how to take care of yourself and recommend you products and tips to maintain your flawlessness. Eighth one is personal delivery services. Whether you're finding for a foundation shade or skincare routine, our beauty consultants are here to genuinely help you with many advices and tips on how to maintain a healthy skin and also physical. Last but not least, housekeeping. We provide the best housekeepers who can purge your mess away in a very limited time. They are very determined to offer you a helping hand on the house chores. Last one, pet care. Need someone to supervise and take care of your pets while you are away from home? Say less. Our best pet sitters are ready to satisfy you. And next will be presented by Anjali.
I'll be presenting the first time user for our app. So for mobility disability person, whenever when vibrates when error message pop up, alerts the user when they miss out to fill an appointment information, and then nextly there will be a voiceover which reads out the submitted result to the user with poor eyesight. And lastly, easy to remember our service contact number because it only has three accessible digit number, which is 400. And as for first time user for normal person, there are multiple languages which allow user to make a choice. And then an advantage for normal person is they can select both with text or sound to know about the services we provide, and then hyperlink to redirect the user to social media for more information or feedback. And then as for potential users, we have specifically listed four of them: pregnant ladies, and then kindergarten or school management, and then student, and lastly is very pathetic. So as for pregnant ladies, our interface has provided some services such as individual psychotherapy, medical consult, and many more to minimal amount of their work. Then, as for students, college students whom renting house, these interfaces will be very useful to continue their daily work such as house cleaning. And then as for kindergarten or school management, events such as graduation or sports designing also available in our interface. It will be more convenient to management rather than doing it by their own. And last but not least, as for the peripatetic, busy people who often travels a lot and requires pet care to look after the pets at home.
And that is all from us. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.